Hey guys, it's Vanessa here. So I'm actually here to try to do this new theme that I've been thinking of, which I thought would be pretty interesting. So basically I'm here to teach you guys how to do things on your own. For example, for the girls out there, even guys, 2020, like, come on, let's go. Getting your nails done. Now that can cost like 50 bucks. Like, yeah, I might just save you 50 bucks. And yeah, this time I'm going to be teaching you guys how to curl your hair. I just think me as a person, I always want to know how to do things on my own, not even just for money purposes. Like, you know what, treat yourself sometimes, that's fine. Go get your nails done. Who said you can't? But I'm just providing just some efficiency. So today's video will be about curling your hair, not with a hair curler, because I just want to save you guys some damage to your hair. So I just thought, use these basically. So they're silicone and you just pop them out just like that and you roll it. Like, seems simple and whatnot. Yeah, so I figured, like, to actually do this, I'm probably not gonna want to make sure my hair is completely clean. So I did wait a day or two, which I think helps, because if you have it straight clean, it's more likely just to fall out because it's so silky, because of probably your conditioner and whatnot. I wash my hair once a week. I don't need to wash it any more than that, because you're just getting rid of your natural oils and it just gets more oily, alright? That's how I've been doing it since I was young. My head is used to that. So I'm gonna go damp my hair now. Be right back. Okay, so I basically just brushed it out. Because there's only a limited amount, you actually get these big ones and these small ones. So I'll just show you how that looks like. If you're wondering where I got this from, I actually got this from eBay. I have it on Amazon as well, if you're an Amazon lover. Alright, so I have 4 small ones and 5 big ones. There should be. I knew there'd have to be an even number. Someone went through my room. I want to just like allocate this. I don't know. I'm a very like organizing person, whatnot. I have like a bunch of guys, so this shall be good. I'm gonna divide it into 2, like so. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a small one only because I have shorter hair at the front and I just think it seems more suited. Now, I don't know if it's better if you twist it or not, but I'm just gonna go straight in there. More water. Too much water. Just spilled everywhere. Oh God. So I'll show you how I'm doing this. A whole lot of that. Then you're meant to just put it in place. It's disagreeing with me. It's like, no, I want to get out. No, shut up. Can I just, oh. I don't know what to think of that. I'm just gonna put it like that because I need to see. So I took around oh, like, I just thought these, like, it looks so easy, like it clipped on for her divide. So get this. There's only 10 of these. Maybe I should have got more. Honestly, there should just be 10 big ones. Why do you even hassle on making small ones? What was the point? It doesn't even catch the whole thing. Okay, note to self, get more. Okay. You know what? Just as long as the bottom is curled, I reckon I'd be pretty happy. I just hope these don't come out. I hope this is worth it because I look really silly right now. My hair feels thinner on this side, so I'm gonna do 2 small ones on here, 1 small and 1 big on this. So let's do it. I might just tie these up. I'm like with my hair ties because I'm not doing this for nothing, just for it to fall out. No. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to secure this. Let's see how I could. Is that practical? Like that? You know what I mean? This is great. I'm gonna have to because this, look at that, that's falling. Frustration. I'm getting really hot from frustration. Why did I say like frustration? Oh, hang on, I spoke too soon. I was gonna say it's holding in solid, but nice. No. This means war, you know. Things, they need to be provided with some bands or something. It would be a lot helpful. And like if they had dints here and there, so then the band just goes around and it doesn't fall. Because look, I'm telling you, when I wake up, my expectation is for some of these to actually come out. So, and if I didn't do this hair tie thing, I reckon all of them would be coming out. Like the girl that I saw do this, she did say to go get it because it kind of did work for her. She didn't do these hair tie things, but let's be honest, her hair was nothing wrong with this, but it was like thinner than mine. So I think that's something to keep in mind. That, oh my god, this water. Oh my god, it's all over my clothes. Is this even worth posting? Like, look at me. I gotta have some dignity. Look at that. They're just screaming like, let me out. Oh, imagine walking around the shops. Hello, how are you? Yes, just like a cup of coffee. Oh yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, so I am back. Clearly it's what I expected. Things have been falling out. Majority of it looks pretty good. I probably look so bad because I just woke up like an hour ago and I have just been in my bed. You know, that's fine. I'm gonna have a good breakfast, maybe watch some Netflix after this because it's finally my day off. I'm super excited to see this reveal. Like, I've been wanting to do this for ages. Time for the reveal. So excited. Okay, take this one out. This is one of the small ones. Oh. It's so bouncy. Look at that. It just bounces. Oh, like it's just pretty good as it is. The struggle is so worth it. This one, I don't know what happened there. It just failed. Ew, that looks bad. I might have to kill that myself. So I reckon make a good damp, because I think that was the curl. I'm just like, nah, I can't be bothered. But then I just continued doing it anyway. Oh my god. Look at that. This is like intense curls at the front here though. Oh wait, it's there, it's locked in. The curls themselves are very random. You know, a consistency of curls. It's like, see, it's going like all directions. But other than that, this worked so good. I would definitely do this again. And now I know I don't need more than 10 because like this is extreme. Like, because I did it very good at the front because I thought I want the front really good. So I just got one of these small ones and a small amount. But if I did my whole hair like this, I would have hair like that. Like, it would just like curl, like, geez. This is straight maximum. So look, these I definitely recommend. So super easy to work with. Mostly you might need some extra hair ties for thicker hair. So bouncy. So overall I would probably rate this maybe a 4 out of 5, just because not everything's perfect, like for example these, and just the randomness like how I was saying before. Overall it was so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in another episode on How To with Vanessa. Bye.